In this video, I'll be going over how to subtract decimals from whole numbers. In order to subtract decimals from whole numbers, we want to add placeholder zeros, then we want to line them up, and then subtract. Below are two examples, and we'll be going over each one. So for the first example, we have 8 minus 3.45. First step we want to do is we want to write out the 8. And since the 3.45 has two decimal places, so we also want to place two placeholder zeros after 8. So then that will become 8.00. Then we're taking 8.00 minus 3.45. From here, we can go ahead and handle the subtraction from here. So 0, we will need to borrow 1. This becomes 10. And 10 minus 5 is 5. Then this 0 has been borrowed 1. So it's currently at a -1. And we need to borrow 1 from the 8. So the 8 becomes 7. And the 0 becomes 9. Then we have 9 minus 4 equals 5. Then we'll place the decimal point here. And 7 minus 3 is 4. So the answer for the first example is 4.55. The important part of this step is that we got to align the decimal places. So in this case, you can see the decimal point was here, and it aligned with the 3.45 here. So that we gotta make sure that the decimal point is always aligned. Otherwise, the answer wouldn't come out correctly. Now for the second example, we have 57 minus 9.3. So we can see that the 7 and 9 are both in the 1's position. And so we need to align the 7 and 9 together. So 57 and the 9 needs to be right here. And since there is one decimal place, we need to place a 0 behind 57, so it'll be 57.0. And now you can see the decimal are aligned. Now we continue with the subtraction. So we'll borrow 1 from 7. This becomes 6, and this becomes 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. 6 minus 9, we need to borrow 1 from the 5, so this becomes 4. And this becomes 16. So 16 minus 9 equals 7. We'll bring down the decimal point, and 4 will bring it down. And the answer is 47.7. So these two are examples of how you would subtract decimals from whole numbers. You would add placeholder zeros, line up the decimal point, and then subtract. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.